Hello everyone around the world, this is Chris Presents. We're doing a walking video in downtown Chicago in Streeterville actually, and it's very windy and rainy at the moment. It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit on Monday, August 8th, 2022. And we're gonna walk in the rain in Streeterville and show you the neighborhood. This is an old fire station right over here. It's an old fire station here from the 1800s. Beautiful. And look at this, you cannot even see the buildings. It's cloudy. It's a little bit stormy, but I really wanted to do this video. I'm on my way home from work, so I'm going to do it the long way. This is the fire station, Chicago Fire Department, Ambulance 11, Fire Engine 98. You can see the fire trucks right over there. Alright, let's just keep walking. See what's going on. We're in Streeterville in downtown Chicago. And this is Chicago Avenue. Chicago Avenue. Alright. Just keep walking. In the rain. I got my umbrella, so don't worry, I'm not getting wet. And also this camera is waterproof, so I'm not worrying about getting any water into the camera. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe underneath this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, if you're watching this video on any other social media platform like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, just go to youtube.com/ChrisPresents and subscribe to the channel. Now we're approaching Michigan Avenue, a very busy street, probably the busiest street in Chicago. This is Chicago Avenue and Michigan Avenue. And we're gonna make a right going north. I'm gonna show you one of the old water towers here. It's one of the two buildings that survived the Chicago fire, the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. And then look at all the buildings next to it. Beautiful architecture of downtown Chicago. And this is the second building, the second water tower that survived the Chicago fire. So this is Michigan Avenue. So we're just walking north of Michigan Avenue in the rain. The rain is coming down. And it's windy. And the next intersection is going to be Pearson Street. It's very cloudy. You can barely see the buildings here. So that's the 900 North Michigan, Bloomingdale. So this is Pearson and Michigan Avenue. Very windy. This is Pearson Street. This is the Water Tower Place Mall. Just gonna wait for the light. There's the Water Tower Mall. We're just gonna cross the street. I got the red light, but nobody's coming, so I'm crossing. It's safe. It's very windy. I hope you can hear me. This is Michigan Avenue, North Michigan Avenue. So a lot of the people here are taking cover underneath the shelters, the bus shelters, and the trees from the rain. Rain is really coming down now. And this is the mall, the Water Tower Mall. But we're gonna go straight. And the next intersection is Chestnut Street. Chestnut and Michigan Avenue. And this is the bus shelter where people are taking the bus. You can see it's very crowded. Now I'm going to show you the John Hopkins Center. Hopefully you can see it it's cloudy. There it is right here, more than 100 stories tall. It's up hidden in the clouds there, you can barely see it. This is Chestnut Street. Show you the high rises on Chestnut Street. This is the Westin Hotel over there. There's Bloomingdale's. Going up in the sky, very cloudy. You can barely see anything. Alright, we're crossing the street. This video is going to be about 10 minutes long. It's going to be a short video, relatively speaking. Alright, we're gonna go east on Chestnut Street and go home. Look at these beautiful trees they put over here and art. Look at that. Look at all the beautiful colors. Right in the middle of the rainstorm. They look pretty. They look like they have lights on them or something because they're kind of lit up. So I don't know if it's lights or if it's just the reflection, but it looks like the John Hopkins Center here is getting renovated for some reason. At least the ground floor. One of the tallest buildings in America and one of the tallest buildings in the world, more than 100 stories tall. And the address is 875 North Michigan Avenue of the John Hopkins Center. And then there is a theater right across the street there, inside the Water Tower building. Broadway in Chicago. The theater is right over there, so they got Broadway shows. I think it's called Chicago Playhouse. That's the name of the, if I'm not mistaken, of the theater. All right. It's getting windier by the moment here. Very windy, ladies and gentlemen. Downtown Chicago in Streeterville. We're going to make this video about 10 minutes long, a little bit less than 10 minutes, so I can post it also on TikTok, because you can only post a video on TikTok that likes like 9 minutes and 58 seconds. So let's say one more minute and we'll stop the video. And I'm going to show you this Seneca building. Look at this beautiful architecture over here. Look at that. Look how beautiful this thing is. Beautiful. Great architecture. And then on the ground floor there you have Francesca's Italian restaurant. Right on the corner of Chestnut and Maisman Street. Alright, let's cross the street. So we're almost done with the video. Thank you everybody for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And please try not to skip the ads during the video. Alright, thank you everybody for watching. I'm just going to turn around here and show you the John Hopkins Center while we're closing this video. Thank you everyone.